Most gardeners treat August as the month to give up on planting. For the perennials on this list, that's exactly wrong. August's warm soil encourages rapid root development, meaning these no-fuss plants can settle in before cooler weather arrives. Plant them now, and they'll reward you with gorgeous blooms this autumn and for many seasons to come, with almost zero effort on your part.
Hey guys, quick heads up. If you see any plants or tools you like in this video, I've linked all my favorites on the screen and down below. Super easy to check out. All right, let's get into it.
Number 1. Coneflower. Coneflowers are the definition of a resilient, low-maintenance perennial that thrives on neglect. These bright, striking blooms make a large impact on your garden without needing a ton of work. The flowers are pollinator-friendly and will bloom into fall, particularly if temperatures stay warm. The large, daisy-like flowers in shades of purple, pink, white, and yellow stand tall on sturdy stems with the distinctive copper-orange cones at the center that add structural interest even after the petals fade. They don't require regular watering, making them perfect for a laid-back gardener. Goldfinches will visit the seed heads through fall and winter, extending the plant's value well beyond the bloom season. Plant coneflowers in a spot with full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Once established, they are incredibly drought-tolerant. Cut them back at the end of the season, and they'll come back stronger than ever. Number 2. Black-Eyed Susan. Black-Eyed Susans are the quintessential cheerful perennial that can handle the heat and intensity of August. They're great for lazy gardeners. Once they're in the ground, they spread quietly without being pushy. The bright yellow petals and dark domed centers make them a cheerful addition to any garden. The blooms appear from late summer through fall with a reliability that few other perennials match, creating a warm, sunny display that lifts the entire garden. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies continuously throughout the season. Left standing through winter, the seed heads provide food for finches and other birds. Planting black-eyed Susans in August allows them to establish their roots before the cooler weather sets in. They tolerate a wide range of soil types and conditions, thrive in full sun, and are drought-tolerant once established. Just trim them back in fall and you're set. Number 3. Sedum Autumn Joy. Sedums are the definition of a no-trouble plant. They thrive on neglect, need little fuss, and still deliver color. Their broad, flat flower heads open in shades of pink in late summer, deepening to rich rust red and burgundy by autumn. The fleshy, succulent foliage remains attractive throughout the growing season, providing structure and interest even when not in bloom. These succulents are incredibly drought-tolerant, store water in their fleshy leaves, and are a perfect choice for hot, dry spots. They also provide late-season nectar for bees and butterflies when other food sources are dwindling. August is a perfect time to plant sedum. It thrives in poor soils and full sun. It's incredibly adaptable and can thrive in poor soils where other plants might struggle, making it a low-maintenance choice for any garden. Number 4. Daylily. Daylilies are the go-to choice for gardeners who want a splash of color with almost zero fuss. These exceptionally low-maintenance flowers are generally water-wise once established. They come in a wide range of vibrant colors, from yellow and orange to pink, red, and purple, with each bloom lasting only a day, but the plant produces so many buds that the display continues for weeks. Reblooming varieties like Stella d'Oro keep flowering from early summer into autumn. Their strap-like foliage sends up multiple bloom stalks throughout summer. They're tough, adaptable perennials that transplant easily and benefit from the warm August soil. Plant them in well-drained soil with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day, and they'll come back year after year with very little care. Number 5. Russian Sage. Russian sage is a robust and drought-tolerant perennial that thrives in sunny, well-drained locations.
This woody perennial is really low maintenance, only needing to be hard pruned back to the ground in late winter or early spring. It is known for its tall, airy spikes of lavender blue flowers that bloom from midsummer to early fall. The silvery, aromatic foliage adds texture and contrast, creating a soft, hazy effect that moves gracefully in the breeze. The flowers attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators throughout the season. The aromatic foliage releases a clean, herby scent when brushed, adding a sensory dimension to the garden. Once established, it's incredibly resilient and can withstand poor soils and dry conditions. It's a great choice for xeriscaping or low-water gardens and will reward you with beautiful blooms and minimal care year after year.
Number 6. Perennial salvia. Perennial salvias are ideal for planting in August. The month allows the flowers to produce a strong root system whilst the soil is still warm. They thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. There are many varieties, with colors ranging from salmon pink to purple, blue, and white. Caradonna offers deep violet blue spikes, while Maynite produces rich indigo blooms. They are heat-tolerant, drought-tolerant once established, and low maintenance. Many salvias, like autumn sage, bear outstanding blooms that last throughout the growing season, attracting hummingbirds and bees with remarkable consistency. Plant them in full sun with well-drained soil. They are a low-maintenance option for your garden and will provide a long-lasting display. Number 7. Aster. Asters are perfect for adding delicate color to your fall garden. They are low maintenance and can attract pollinators. The flowers add a splash of pink, purple, blue, or white to your garden from late summer through autumn, creating a soft, romantic display when most other perennials have finished blooming. They're tough, reliable, and provide critical late-season nectar for pollinators. They attract late-season pollinators when food sources are dwindling. Deadhead spent blooms to prolong flowering and cut them back in late fall or early spring. You can plant them in August, and they'll bloom in the fall. New England asters are quick-growing and require about 6 to 8 hours of full sun. You'll enjoy flowering throughout the fall, and then you'll see them again next spring. Number 8. Bearded iris. Irises are hardy perennials with striking blooms in a variety of colors. The best time to plant them is actually in August. The flowers are architectural and sculptural, available in almost every color of the rainbow. The tall, sword-like foliage provides structure, even when the plants are not in bloom. They are drought-tolerant once established and require very little care. The rhizomes multiply over time, which means the display expands each season without any extra work on your part. Planting them in August gives them a chance to settle into their new home before the weather turns, which will increase their chances of blooming. They thrive in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Once established, these plants are tough and require very little care. Number 9. Yarrow. Yarrow is one of the most forgiving plants you can grow. It happens to be one of those perennials that flowers all summer without deadheading. The flat-topped clusters of tiny flowers come in shades of yellow, white, pink, and red, blooming from June through September. The ferny, aromatic foliage adds texture and remains attractive throughout the season. It attracts beneficial insects and serves as a larval host plant for several species of butterflies. It's also deer-resistant and rabbit-resistant, making it a smart choice for gardens with wildlife pressure. Providing a spectacular late summer floral display, yarrow is native to many regions and can be found along roadsides and in rough grassland, proving how tough and adaptable it is. Plant it in full sun with well-draining soil, and it will thrive with almost no attention. Number 10. Japanese anemone. Japanese anemones are robust, low-maintenance perennials that are ideal to plant in August. This month is perfect because it offers sufficient warmth for roots to establish before the winter months. They have beautiful, sculpted blooms in various shades of pink, red, and white,
rising on tall, elegant stems above clumps of dark green foliage. The flowers appear from late summer through autumn, creating a refined, almost woodland garden feel. Once established in your garden, they are robust, low maintenance, and have the ability to attract wildlife. They spread slowly by rhizome, which means the colony expands gradually without becoming invasive. They thrive in partial shade to full sun, with consistently moist, well-drained soil. For a late-season display that looks elegant and requires almost no effort, Japanese anemone is the perfect choice.
Those are 10 perennials to plant this August, not despite the fact that it's late summer, but because it's late summer. Plant them now, and you'll have a garden that looks after itself, blooming beautifully this autumn and for years to come. Subscribe. New plant content every week. We'll see you in the next one.